right, it's a little while later, November 12th. I'm sorry, April 12th. Getting ahead of myself. I'm going in a time warp. The last November. April 12th, 2024. This is one of the, I only printed 4 proofs, because I wanted to, use a different jar of block printing ink next time, and I may go with blue or green. Anyway, it looks pretty good. I'm probably going to add a little kind of yellow-orange colored pencil on the beak here. I hope people can visually make out. This is a flying budgie here. All right. There you have it. Thanks for the feedback. I'm sorry, feedback. B-O-K. Listening to King Classic Radio 98.1 on your FM Seattle. Nice station.